Welcome to my channel. Einstein destroyed all manuscripts before death. Only general relativity remains as a mind-shattering truth. He repeated on his deathbed, humans should never touch this secret. This theory reveals a cruel reality. Time does not exist. Yesterday, today and tomorrow are just illusions created by your brain. More shockingly, you fall toward future at 11 kilometers per second right now. You can never stop. General relativity tells us gravity is not a force. It's a trap formed by spacetime distortion. Earth acts like a bowling ball on a trampoline. It presses deep dent into surrounding spacetime. We all stay inside this dent. We can never escape. Einstein published this theory in 1915. Only 3 people worldwide could understand it. One man nearly had mental breakdown after reading it. He realized, universe essence feels more hopeless than any horror film. This world-changing theory started from a totally ordinary thought. One afternoon in 1907, Einstein zoned out in his office at Swiss Patent Office. A cleaner wiped glass high outside the window. A thought crossed his mind in an instant. He wondered what would happen if the worker fell down. This ordinary question tore open deepest secret of universe. He dived into non-stop calculations. When worker falls freely, supporting force under feet disappears completely. Only gravity acts on his body. Worker's feeling matches exactly weightless state of astronauts in space. This discovery made Einstein tremble all over. He realized gravity might not be a force at all. To test this wild idea, Einstein designed famous thought experiment. Imagine you stay in a windowless room. A scale sits under your feet. If room sits on Earth, scale shows your weight number. But if room sits inside a spaceship accelerating upward at 9.8 meters per second, scale reading stays exactly same. Inside closed space, you can never tell if you stand on Earth or in an accelerating spaceship. Effective acceleration equals effective gravity completely. This is equivalence principle. It's the core key to general relativity. More shocking deduction follows right after. If you turn on flashlight in accelerating spaceship, light bends downward. Spaceship accelerates upward. Floor keeps approaching light beam. By equivalence principle, same experiment on Earth should also bend light. Light always travels straight by nature. The bending effect made no sense at first. Einstein fell into long thought. Then he remembered a key fact. Shortest path between 2 points on a sphere is not a straight line. It's a curve. If light bends in gravity field, it may mean space itself gets twisted by gravity. This idea was extremely bold. Even Einstein dared not fully believe it at first. He turned to his college classmate Grossman. This math genius just finished doctoral thesis on curved space geometry. 2 men studied behind closed doors for 3 full years. They used hundreds of pages of calculation paper. They finally derived field equation in 1915. This equation rewrote human understanding of universe. Equation paints a brand new picture of universe. Mass does not attract other objects. It twists space-time around itself. Planets orbit sun not because sun pulls them. Sun bends surrounding space instead. Planets just follow shortest path in curved space. It works like a billiard ball rolling on dented table. It does not get pulled. It slides naturally along curved surface. Almost all scientists scoffed at this idea back then. They mocked Einstein as a lowly patent clerk. They said he had no right to challenge Newton's 300-year-old classic theory. Some even launched malicious attacks. They called relativity heresy. Einstein did not argue back. He knew only experiments could prove everything. Turning point came soon. Astronomers had long found anomaly in Mercury's orbit. Its elliptical orbit shifts forward slightly every revolution. It shifts 43 arcseconds every 100 years. This number seems tiny, but Newtonian mechanics can never explain it. All physicists felt helpless about it. Einstein picked up his pen. He calculated with field equation for 3 days and 3 nights straight. When final result came out, he trembled with excitement. His theory calculated Mercury's perihelion precession value accurately. It matched actual observation almost perfectly. Error was less than 1%. This marked first time general relativity solved a problem classic physics could not crack. Doubts did not fade away. Some said it was just a coincidence. Einstein needed a more undeniable proof. He made a bold prediction. Light bends in sun's gravity field when passing near sun. He calculated exact bending angle of 1.75 arcseconds. This prediction caused huge stir in academic circle. Light has no mass. People thought it could never be affected by gravity. Everyone waited to laugh at Einstein. Only way to verify this was to photograph stars near sun during total solar eclipse. Researchers would compare positions to see if they shifted. On May 29, 1919, eyes worldwide focused on this observation. British astronomer Eddington led the team. They observed total solar eclipse simultaneously in Africa and Brazil. They captured star images near Sun, with most advanced photographic equipment. They compared these photos with shots of same starry sky at night. Results shocked everyone. Star positions near Sun did shift. Shift angle matched Einstein's prediction almost exactly. Light really got bent by Sun. Space really is curved. Gravity really is distortion of spacetime. News spread and shocked the whole world. Newspaper headlines announced, Newton's theory overthrown. Einstein became new wise man of universe. Overnight, once mocked patent clerk became greatest scientist in human history. General relativity reached legendary status ever since. But this is not the most shocking part of this theory. If space can be twisted, time can too. Einstein's equation proves gravity also twists time. Stronger gravity means slower time flow. This is not sci-fi setting. It's a real physical effect. In November 2024, International Astronomy Team used dark energy spectroscopic instrument. They observed 11 billion years of cosmic structure evolution. They found gravity patterns still perfectly matched general relativity predictions on cosmic large scale. This is most accurate verification of general relativity by humans. It covers 2/3 of cosmic history. Imagine you stay near a black hole for 1 hour. Decades or even centuries may pass on Earth when you return. Friends and family grow old long ago. Most familiar people pass away. You still look exactly like when you left. This is not time travel. It's time dilation. It's one of cruelest predictions of general relativity. At black hole's event horizon, time almost stops completely. From outside view, person falling into black hole freezes forever at event horizon. It looks like a frozen photo. For the falling person himself, he tears to pieces in an instant. He falls into abyss, where even light cannot escape. Even more unsolvable is singularity at black hole center. It has infinite density and zero volume. Space-time curvature also reaches infinity. All known physical laws fail here. Even general relativity cannot describe nature of singularity. Latest research released by American Astronomical Society in January 2025 shows scientists observed quasi-periodic oscillation near black hole via InSight satellite. Meanwhile, China's Michis quantum satellite explores interaction between quantum mechanics and general relativity in gravity field. It may help humans uncover truths of singularity. Physics still faces huge dilemma today. General relativity describes macroscopic world. Quantum mechanics describes microscopic world. Both theories are extremely accurate, but they contradict each other and cannot be unified. Both theories fail at black hole singularity and first instant of Big Bang. Physicists always search for a more fundamental theory of everything. This becomes important evidence to verify general relativity under strong gravity field. They try to integrate gravity with quantum mechanics. Some propose string theory. Some study loop quantum gravity. New quantum gravity frameworks keep emerging too. In May 2025, Finnish scientists proposed new quantum gravity framework. They try to describe gravity with particle physics logic. It opens a new path for theory of everything. No matter where future theories lead, general relativity has completely rewritten human view of universe. It tells us, time is not absolute. Space is not flat. Gravity is not some mysterious force. Whole universe is a four-dimensional space-time structure. It keeps bending, twisting and evolving under effect of mass and energy. Every one of us moves in this curved space-time. Every breath, every heartbeat leaves unique track in four-dimensional space-time. You think you only move in space. You actually glide through space-time. You follow geodesics twisted by Earth's mass. You think time keeps passing, but time is just fourth dimension of space. Past, present and future may all exist at the same time. Trapped in four-dimensional universe, we just stay at one point on time axis. We get played frame by frame like a film reel. This is the truth revealed by general relativity. It's a reality stranger than all sci-fi works combined. When you truly understand this theory, you will realize universe is far stranger, more absurd, and more stunning than we imagine. Most amazing part is all of this is real.